Hi everyone, Mrs. Florky here. A couple of days ago, Miss Satalis' class and I came up with a way to move your body to the life cycle of the cicadas. And it goes like this. You go across your body and into the ground. They crawl up and out of the ground and up the tree and then freeze and then crack that exoskeleton and wiggle your shoulders out of the exoskeleton, and then you become the adult and the males go shh, 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 and the girls go, and then they climb onto the tree and lay some eggs and then fall down to the ground again. For how many years? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 years for the brood X cicadas. We're so glad you're here, cicadas. Thanks for coming back. See you again soon, friends.